A line that can go through a point of the circumference from the outside without going inside the circle is called a tangent or tangent line. A line is drawn from the center of the circle to any point on the tangent at a certain angle. The vertical length is always equal to the radius. So the tangent of an angle is equal to the horizontal length divided by the vertical length, which is also the length of the radius. The horizontal and vertical lines can be shortened to fit inside the circle, and their ratio would remain the same. For example, these lines also have the same ratio. Now we know that the tangent of an angle is also equal to x over y. The sine of the same angle is x over the radius. So x is equal to the sine times the radius. On the other hand, the cosine of the same angle is y over the radius. So y is equal to the cosine times the radius. This shows that the tangent of an angle is equal to the sine divided by the cosine of the same angle. In other words, this is the opposite side of the angle divided by the adjacent side. Let's quickly go through the tangent of some angles. First of all, the value at the middle of the tangent is 0. So tangent 0 degrees is equal to 0, just like the sine of the same angle. At 30 degrees, the tangent is equal to sine 30 divided by cosine 30. This is equal to 1 over the square root of 3, or the square root of 3 over 3. At 45 degrees, the sine and cosine are the same. So tangent 45 is equal to 1. At this point, the tangent is as long as the radius. At 60 degrees, the tangent is equal to the square root of 3. Tangent 90 degrees is a bit tricky because the line is parallel to the tangent at this angle. In other words, it goes in the exact same direction as the tangent, so both lines never meet or intercept. Also, sine 90 is 1 and the cosine is 0. This makes the tangent undefined because division by 0 is impossible. From this, we can tell that the tangent of an angle is equal to 1 divided by the tangent of the complementary angle. If the angle is beyond 90 degrees, even just a little bit, then the line would touch another tangent at the bottom of the circle. This tangent has the negative versions of the numbers at the top. For example, the tangent is minus root 3 at 120 degrees. This is because the sine is positive while the cosine is negative. Tangent 135 is minus 1, negative version of tangent 45, its supplementary angle. Tangent 150 is minus root 3 over 3, and tangent 180 is back to 0. This shows that the tangent of an angle is equal to the negative tangent of its supplementary angle. Now here is a fun fact. The tangent of 180 to 360 degrees is the same as the tangent of 0 to 180 degrees again. This shows that the tangent of an angle is equal to the tangent of the same angle plus or minus 180 degrees. For example, if your direction is 50 degrees, and you turn 180 degrees left or right, then you would be facing the opposite direction either way, which is 230 degrees. On the other hand, the cotangent of an angle is the tangent of its complementary angle. Just like how the cosine of an angle is the sine of the complementary angle. The cotangent of an angle is equal to the cosine over the sine of the same angle, making this the reciprocal of the tangent. Unlike the tangent, cotangent deals with the tangent lines at the left and right sides of the circle, which are perpendicular to the top and bottom tangents. At 90 and 270 degrees, the cotangent is 0. Then it turns negative until the radius becomes parallel to the tangents at the left and right at 0 and 180 degrees, making the cotangent undefined. This is the difference between tangent and cotangent. Now that you fully understand how these trig ratios work, please like and subscribe. Feel free to comment your thoughts as well.